Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome in, y'all. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden, and today we are going to be transplanting some cucumbers into the garden bed. Okay, so I have my 3 cucumbers right here, and we're going to be transplanting these over into this section along with the other ones. Okay, so that is the first one there. Trying to do this with one hand. And I should be doing this with my right hand, but I'm holding the, and these were grown hydroponic. As you guys can see the little sponge right there, but look at the root system on there. Okay, and then I'll take the third one. I did not want to do that. Okay, so I want to put him there, him right there. Try to press it down without breaking it. And that's a little one right there. I want to try to put him over here or either right here. Okay, so we're going to take that one, put him right here. Move his roots over. And then, where did I put that little, put that little baby one right there. Yeah. Okay. Move that roly-poly out the way. Go ahead. Press them down so they can make good contact. And they got pretty good roots, so they should be good. Let's move this. Oh. Maybe I should have. Let's put that one. Try to make it go that way. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put some of these 4 o'clocks. over in this section right here. Move this soil out of the way and put them towards the back. I've never grown 4 o'clocks before, so I don't know how big they get. But we're gonna find out. Let's separate. So we'll do 1, 2 over here, and then we'll put this one over on this side, right there. So let's get these covered back in. And I don't know what these little bitty flowers are, well, plants are in here. I didn't put them in here, probably weeds. All right, so that is the 4 o'clocks up in there. Let's get him planted over here. Get some of that perlite over on this section. Is that 2? Oh no, that's just 1. All right, so now we got our 4 o'clocks all done. So this year I said I wanted to have more flowers in the garden, also to bring more to attract more pollinators to the garden. So yeah, that is just what I'm doing. And I'm making a conscious effort of putting things back where they go. Now, I want to put my watermelon in a certain bed, the new bed that I just started. So I'm going to leave that watermelon there for now. Once I add some more soil to that bed, then I will put the watermelon in there. And I'm situating my area, trying to keep it clean. Putting all plants that need to be transplanted into the garden on one side, and those that just have dirt on the other side. And trying to keep all my tools in one spot. Also, right now we just been throwing everything in that container right there. Yeah.
In the garden, planting food from next year's harvest. As I plant this seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this fruit so my future doesn't look blue. Keep it in the family, 'cause we gon'